So see if you can translate these words into mathematical operations. So I'm just going to list out some simple words. And see if you can translate it into a mathematical operation. All right. So the first word I'm going to go with is the word and. Okay. So the word and, what comes to mind when you see that word? Well, in math is a plus sign. Okay. So that's plus. So for example, I can say that Jacob and Mary have $10. So that would be Jacob plus and Mary have $10. Okay, that's a simple one. Okay, what about the phrase? What about if you see the phrase less than? Less than. Okay, less than, that would be what? Minus, right? Now, less than is one that you have to be careful with though, because it's very easy to get them flipped around and get the equation wrong. For example, if I say that Jerome has 2 marbles less than Rick, right? So be careful, because Jerome has 2 marbles less than Rick, which means that Rick has 2 marbles more than Jerome. So Rick has more marbles than Jerome. So I would write R for Rick minus J is 2. So this means, so this is how you write Jerome has 2 marbles less than Rick, because it's very easy to do this, to go J, all right, which would be wrong, because this is saying that Jerome has 2 marbles more than Rick, but I said Jerome has 2 marbles less than Rick, so this would be the correct answer here. Okay, and be careful with that, not to make that mistake. What about the word of? So the word of basically means multiplication, right? So for example, if you see what is 1/2 of 10, what is 1/2 of 10? That would be 1/2 of, which is multiply 10, which is equal to 5. 1/2 of 10 is 5. Yep, and that brings us to another one. The word is. The word is equal sign. So is, also R, means equal. So for example, going back to this previous one, if you read this, it says 1/2 of 10 is 5, right? Okay, let's see what else we got. What about into? So into typically means division, right? If you say how many times does 5 go into 25? Well, that means you take 25, you divide it by 5, and you get 5. So 5 goes into 25 5 times. So into is divide, right? And let's throw one last one out there. Let's go with percent. What do you think of when you see percent? So percent, again, is division, right? But it's a very specific type of division, right? For example, if I say, what is 15% of 45? 15% of 45. Well, percent means to divide, but specifically it means to divide by 100. So 15% is 15 over 100, right? And I said 15% of 45. Of is times 45, right? So this right here says 15% of 45. And that's how you would write that mathematically. Okay? All right. If there's any other topic that you would like us to discuss on this channel, whether it be math or physics, chemistry, biology, any other science that you are trying to learn more about. If you have any specific questions, just don't be afraid to leave them in the comments. I'll try to cover those questions that you have in upcoming videos. I do plan to upload videos regularly, so be on the lookout for more videos, for us to create more content for you guys. We are here to help people, so if you continue to like the videos, let people know that we're out here and that we're trying to build a community, we would definitely appreciate that. This is it for now. I want you guys to enjoy your Christmas holiday and make sure that you get ready for the new year, because yeah, we plan to be doing a lot of good things, and definitely plan to be changing lives and helping people accomplish their goals and missions in the upcoming year. So be on the lookout for that. Thank you guys for watching.